Oh my goodness. It is week 10 in my training program, and I am just about to head off to the gym. I will be running 6.5 Ks to the gym, having a half an hour strength workout, mostly focusing on my legs, and then run the 6.5 Ks back. I really love this workout. I have incorporated in my training program because I need to have that stoppage in between to run, stop, and then run again because I will be picked up when I do my 100 kilometers. I will be picked up from the creeks to go around the creeks in a car. And that means that I'm going to be stopping and then having to start again. So, this is a nice way for me to kind of just practice that and also putting a little bit more pressure on my legs, making my legs strong enough so that I can run as efficient as possible. So, I've had my pre workout. My whole face is itchy, so I have to head off now. And yeah, so I'm super happy. Day 2 in week 10.